boys and girls. For Friday, for our writing, we're going to finish up our 5-paragraph essay. So yesterday you wrote an intro paragraph. You wrote a body number 1 paragraph, which was answering question 1. So today we're going to do a body number 2 paragraph, which is going to answer question 2. What are the special talents of a good basketball player? And we're going to do a body number 3 paragraph that's going to answer, how do both use their special talents to succeed? Then we're going to wrap it all up with our conclusion paragraph. Remember, that's kind of reminding what the readers what you told them about and leaving them with a kind of a final thought. So this was question 2. This was question 3. So you should have 5 solid paragraphs for this essay when you are done. Remember, 2 finger spaces, and then that's where you start your new paragraph. When you're ready to start the next new paragraph, you go to the next fresh line, 2 spaces, and write. Okay? Do your very best writing, and always remember you can use the back and add a sheet of paper if you need to. Good job, boys and girls.